Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix MSI laptop touchpad not working. First, check if the touchpad is disabled by using the toggle key. On most MSI laptops, you can press FN and F3 or FN and F4 at the same time. Look for a key that has a small touchpad icon on it. Pressing this combination can re-enable your touchpad if it was turned off by mistake. If the toggle key does not work, the next step is to check your Windows settings. Click on the Start menu and go to Settings. From there, select Bluetooth and Devices. Then click on Touchpad. Make sure the touchpad option is switched on. If it is already on, try turning it off and then on again. Sometimes the problem is caused by a driver issue. To fix this, open Device Manager. You can search for Device Manager in the Start menu. In Device Manager, expand the section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices. You may also see Human Interface Devices. Look for your touchpad driver, right-click on it, and choose Uninstall. After you uninstall it, restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver, which may solve the problem. If the touchpad still does not work, it is a good idea to download the latest driver directly from MSI. Go to the official MSI support website and find your specific laptop model. Download the touchpad driver for your model and install it. This ensures you have the latest version that is compatible with your laptop. After following these steps, your touchpad should start working again. Thanks for watching.